What is good, people? Welcome back to another video. Now, in today's video, we're going to be working on the Golf estate again. We're going to be ticking off something that's been on the to-do list for about, Jesus Christ, about 2 years. So we're going to get straight into it. If you do enjoy these videos, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content. And let's get on with it. If you have been a subscriber of the channel for at least a year or two, you would have known that we don't have a back box. Now, the reason for that is the car is 25 years old. So what had happened was where the back box is welded to the exhaust section, that had completely rusted away. So I ended up ripping it off, and we've literally been without a back box ever since. It sounds pretty decent, so I've just never been asked to fix it. And the exhaust in question, we have a period correct Jetex back box. So we're going to go to the shop today and see if somebody can whistle up a nice custom exhaust. The back end is going to get a bit more treatment, because if we go to the front's had all of the attention. So it started its life as a Golf GL, which means that it had a 3-slat grille, dual chamber headlights, and then I think these were amber. I could be wrong. No, I think they were clear. And then we had the typical ugly GTI spoiler. Since then we've put Ellis headlights, which I've kind of modified to look like devil eyes. We've put 2-slat grille on, and then upper and lower bumper intakes with the smoked indicators, and then a VR6 split.
Yeah.
The delay is because it's an old car. Oh, for fuck's sake, get out, get your ass out of here.
Can speak now.
Get out here. Put the heated seats on for him, aren't I lovely?
He's called the ass.
Get in this warm car. I even put heated seats on for you, look. Look at that for service.
Take me jump coat off.
Should we go?
Power!
You know what? It actually feels like that, going from this to the van. Because we've got, I don't want to be that guy, that linear power. That says, but because the van is in the rev range, you've got up to 1800 RPM or so whatever, 0, and then whereas this is just kind of like it probably is slow. This is probably slow. Full sense of speed.
I get the same premise when I go from Harlequin to Mark 7.
Oh god, yeah.
Put your foot down, you're like, go! Go!
Rest.
Nah, fuck you.
Oh! I have a bone to pick with my van.
Bone to pick with your van.
So what's the difference between a 1997 Mark 3 Golf and a 2022 Renault Traffic?
I don't know.
One has heated washer jets. One hazard a guess which one?
This one?
Yes.
Do you not know that?
No, I did. I didn't know the van wouldn't.
Well, the van
In
wouldn't.
2022, they've got a heated washer jet. Do I sound a bit entitled there?
Title for a 30-year-old Golf, yeah.
No, for the van. The van hadn't got it. I couldn't see anything, especially in this weather. It's horrible.
As long as you remember to fill up your washers, like me. You sat there trying to clean your screen, can't see nothing.
Like peanuts.
Yeah! Stupid van driver.
What is not happening?
Lewis is panicking because they're about to pass him.
Oh, not you are. It's a
Very high-vis car. And he thinks, oh god, it's the Fed. I can't see. Could you wind the windows, please?
Oh, yes,
There we go. So he's panicking, thinking it's a copper. It's not. It's traffic wobbles.
yeah, but I bet 90% of the drivers currently watching do the same thing. They avoid
Womble.
these because they can't be arsed with the hassle. And nor can I. I've got places to be.
So he pulls in front of him. He's got an exhaust box.
Very excited.
Exhaust things today. Ooh, happy pops. Here's a rev. Shagged! Let's go fix that.
I like the sound of that.
It does sound quite good.
It sounds good. It just looks awful.
Annoyingly. Why the broken exhaust? Grip, 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 grip.
There's nothing there. lot of sound and not a lot of movement. Didn't narrow at 60. Hey, it's fun, alright, it's fun. It might not be fast. 8 valves get a lot of slack for being awful.
There's what did they say?
I know it's famous.
More fun to drive a slow car fast.
Fast than a fast car slow. Yeah.
Oh, we're here, are we?
Oh, what's happening? Oh dear. Oh lord.
That might fail, though.
I'm gonna go here.
Nice 140i there.
Yeah.
Bit about the ST.
That's got 500 brake.
Ooh.
Which, fair enough.
Fair enough.
Yeah. Whatever it is.
I think that might have failed on the mission still.
Oh my god, poor wheels. Oh my gosh. And the car is no better. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. But, no exhaust pending. Let's do it.
Come with me and you'll be very cold.
So we have this very 90s and period correct Jetex black box, 2 outward rolled tips, and then this is pretty much for a Mark III Golf. So
Pre-installed then.
that's how they are.
Is it?
Yeah, I think it's to clear the fuel tank.
That makes sense.
Obviously, it's not going to fit the estate because the estate, let's just assume that this is the hatchback. It's going to end, there's not enough clearance. So what we have to do is get an extra mount welded at the front, what this is going to be utilised, put it there, and then kind of extend the pipe backwards to the rear axle. But what we're going to go with today, where the centre section joins to, so you've got manifold to the cat, then you've got a straight pipe into the centre section. So from the centre section back is going to be full custom. The centre section silencer, we're going to delete that, go straight over the axle, and then extend to the back box and get some.
Eventually.
Right, let's cut both of the hangers off it.
Okay. Oh, of the exhaust, yeah.
I couldn't get it high enough with the hangers on. Yeah. So I'm going to have to just make new hangers for it. Because it's literally like right against the body of the horse.
No, that's fine.
It's not far off now.
Ideally, I'd have liked, like I say, I'd have preferred to cut the exhaust and the mats on the car, because then at least if I was to swap it, I can do it easily.
Yeah, that's it.
Beautiful.
Yeah,
Oh my god, it looks so much better. Been driving around with no exhaust for about 2 years. See here, he's put the extension on.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Turn the sections off. This is the old one. Yeah.
There's loads of life in that.
It was not in good shape at all.
There's loads of life in
It
it.
was awful. Has that been hitting something?
No, that'll be the same space, wouldn't it?
No, it's been hitting that. It's the heat shield. You reckon?
Oh yeah.
Is this the original? Still got
Yeah,
stuff.
it will be.
Can't see any stamps on it. It might be. Lovely. B-roll.
Happy bunny?
Yeah.
Happy bunny.
So we've been driving for about 20-30 minutes, and our feedback is
better than
under load it can feel a bit droner. When it's coasting it sounds okay. 60-70 mile an hour is decent. 80 is getting on a little bit. I don't know what I was expecting really. It was I was saying to Ben off camera, it was more about the visuals than it was about what it sounded like. Inside the car,
it's comfortable.
it's not too bad. I don't really drive this car fast on the motorway anyway nowadays, because I kind of use it for a kind of old-time cruiser. So I reckon I'm all right with it. I guess you build up an expectation in your head of everything to go right, and then it kind of don't work out the way you expect it, so then you get a little bit disheartened. But I'm all right. I just kind of need some more driving time on it just to get used to it. And I believe you need a few heat cycles when you have a new exhaust in as well, because the metal settles or whatever, I don't know. But we're going to try and find a good location nearby to get some good shots and whatnot. And then, yeah. What do you think, Ben?
I like, very nice.
Okay, well there you go then.
We do drive, yes?
In fact, yeah. Let me see.
Let's go.
Oh, a little pop. So 70 miles an hour. It's not bad. We can kind of have a normal conversation at like kind of.
We're not raising our
normal-
voices.
No. When you're accelerating though, it starts to get a little bit louder when you get up to 80 miles an hour. But I don't really drive this much at 80 anyway. It's more just for cruising.
You don't do it 80 mile an hour anyway, do you?
No, I don't. That's right. That's right. I think now is a sign to go in. The car is absolutely ditched. I don't like seeing it like this, I'll be honest. Like, look at the front. Just, jeez. I hope you did enjoy this vlog. I did. It's really nice getting the exhaust on after so long, and just makes the back end look a bit better. As I mentioned before, there's pretty much nothing on the back that I've done apart from colour coded the number plate plinth and then changed the rear lights to smoked. But later on we do have some plans. We have the Henry Lloyd yachting spoiler to go on, and then there is a rear lip that I've been eyeballing up that I want to put on this car. So it pretty much sets the back end off. We just need to kind of mess around with the back just to get it to sit better. And then as you can see from here, it's got a lot of front end down, so the front end there isn't much gap between the floor, and then you go to the sill, it kind of curves up, and then the back end's just high as hell. So the rear lip will kind of make that look better. Eventually maybe get some side skirts to kind of tie in with the whole look, but I don't know, these are all plans at the end of the day. But I'm gonna go home, I'm extremely hungry and tired. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe. I'm going to try and put a little bit more effort into the vlogs. That's why I brought Ben along. We're both going to try and get into the swing of things, up the quality a little bit, up what we're doing, and just bring some more content for you guys. I'm going to try on top of upholstery. It's not very easy, but with all the excuses out of the way, we will see you next week for another upload.